Kubli pi barok ni priang snow bahai pi syak ni katup kubor jungi menta ka janmit. Haswab ni sedang kini kilong kimat ki bakungsan. Labeteng ya ka benta baar jong ka dorbar mang tingka ka parlimen hene kesni. Ong chairman ka Raja Sabha bandan ka mensiam jingkerman ha kani ka kinti. Ka jela Meghalaya ka dantang march teng na ka jingbha jong ki officer IAS. Yathu menteri rangba ka jela ukon rat ki sangma. Penklan ke sarkar jela ya ke jing sentiat ha ke tenat kulit hadien jong ke jing betai ki bom IED bat hamanipur lapen bam smai ya ki dekat bertemai jong ke yang darbar thawaan ke jela entau sarkar ke seng BJP ha ke jela ikubuar ki babnya Kabenta baar jong ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka parlimen kala beteng biang hene kesni. Baro artli ki yeng kin syong dorbar kumba julong hadin beladep ban kemi bnya ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka jingpang covid kat kendai. Ha kesni beningkong jong ka benta baar jong ka parlimen. U chairman ka Raja Sabha u M Venkaya Naidu. Ula betha ya ki dekat bandon biang ka jinglong jingkermen kumba long ha ka benta ka beningkong jong ka parlimen. Ula pen kenmau ba ha ka benta beningkong jong ka jinglong dorbar. Kamsyam ladon kenu ka jing yahuri hura. Haswab penlong dorbar ka yeng kala puli ya ki kerteng jong ki saungut ki dekat ki belak klat no bakintup ya Rahul Bajaj. Menteri rangba ka jelau konrad ki sangma hne kasni. Ula pentip ha ka assembly ba ka jingdon jong ki officer IAS ha ka jela. Ki duna bha bat ka jing trekam jong ki ka janlong tang marchiteng jong ka bha abalabu. Haba jubab ya ki jingkeli belawan ra da inong mikmat ka seng kongres I bela syak suspend. Ikong amprin lingdo, menteri rangba ka jela ula ong ba ki dantang saupuai ngut ki officer IAS kat ba ka bha abalabu kalong nyop ngut. Habaya thu ba ka sarkar jela kala pha sithi sya ka sarkar pedeng haus nam arajar khat khandai. Bantau no la ka jong ka tanat ha ka jela, ukermen ba ka jela kan sayo shu ya ki officer IAS ha kini kisnem ki banwan.
Issue here is that, of course, our works are being affected. As mentioned, so we have almost a strength of 77, but as of now, the total number of officers in the state is 41. So we have a huge deficit. As a state, compared to many of the states in the region, so our cadre strength is very much lesser. For example, so the total strength of IS cadre in Manipur is 110. In Tripura is 102, in Nagaland is 91, whereas in Meghalaya it's 77.
Kasorkar jela kan sakmi bnya ya kajing ajing mut banyalam ya baro nruphongut ki MLA sha New Delhi bandawa pentrikam ya ka inline permit hapok ka jela. Menteri rangba konrad ki sangmau la penpau ya kani ha ka ying darbar thawaan ka jela ni kasni. Kat ba ai jubab ya kajing ajing mut jong menteri ka seng kongres uba piti saukmi. Ha ka kenta keli jing keli. Shu la penskem ba ka sarkar jela kendang beteng ban yakren bat ka sarkar pedeng ban penteri kamno mardor ya ka ILP habok ka jela.
So this process is on, and we are pursuing this matter. The seriousness, as I said, of the government as well as of this house has been established by the resolution that was passed by the government. And the resolution that was passed by the House, and therefore, so we will continue to pursue, and we hope that we'll reach a logical conclusion in this line, and I'm definitely open to suggestions that members would like to give in this matter.
Menteri katanat ki kampo yeng uba lakmen rumboi. Hani kasngi ula ong ba katanat pulit kalapen klan ya kajing sentiat. Kabakintup ya ka cybercrime monitoring. Hadien ki jing betai bom IED ha ka jela kabala jia ha kini ki kendiat banai beladem haba ai jubab ya ka jingkli bau MLA ka seng kongres ubla syak suspend na West Shillong uba Mahendro rapsang ha ka assembly menteri ka tanat kampo yeng ulayathu baladan nyotli ki jing betai bom ha ka jela ha kini ki sansnem shu ulayathu ru balakyam ya ki tu ki badon kti ha kini ki jing betai henry sham layathu lut ya ki mat jong ki jing yokyam.
As of now, I think the police have done the job which they are supposed to do. But having said that, so as I said, that many of the status of this case are lying in some with some commission of inquiry and others. So I didn't want to quote.
Menteri Katanat PHE Uba Renikton Lingdot Tongkar. Hni kasngi ulayathu ha kaying baka sorkar jela kala phak kaliang ya kitu ki pipe ki bamlong katkum ka jingbetha na kabantaban penankam ha ka skim JJM. Habai jubab ya ka call attention motion belawan ra do MLA ka umroi Uba George Lingdo. Uni menteri ulaong baka sorkar kala shim ya ka rai ban khmi baki pipe ki balathit ban penankam na kabanta kani ka skim kinlong ki babha.
The PHE department, Shillong, has received complaints from few divisions on the quality of the GI pipe and hence had directed replacement of the defective pipes from the manufacturing company. No payment is released to the manufacturer if quality issues are noticed in the consignment. My department accord highest priority to maintaining the quality and standards in the procurement of GI pipe from reputed manufacturers, and accordingly there are instructions to this effect that only pipes of approved specifications are to be accepted.
Hamanipur ki MLA ki bidang sudap job kila bam smai kum ki dekat bertamai jong kayeng dorbar tauan ke jela kabakat ar ni ka step. Uprotem speaker US Rajan ulapan bam smai yakin rup hongut ki dekat ha ka assembly hall. Lakermen ba ka seng BJP ka belayo shibun tli kisit kan sa tau sorkar ha ka jela. Kinong yalam ka seng kilas dang bani merjingmut halor ka jing tau sorkar bat ka jingjiet yau kertong na kabenta ka syuki jong menteri rangba. Ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment Jowai haringkat ka jing yasnok ti lang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society kalapan long ya ka voluntary blood donation camp ha ka singi sa jan ha umolong CHC ya kani lapan long hapo jang ka project link worker scheme kani ka project katmu ban ajing pentip ba jing pensyai syaki pat ba kan thai bat chenrang ha ki thain nong kendong halor ka jingpang HIV bat kumnu banyada na kani ka jingpang Nyongut kinong ais nam kilay shimbenta ha kani ka camp balalam kmat do Dr. H.H. Mormon. Mentapat nginpet ya kajing long jiman kasun beneng ha Shillong. Kajing shit kalong 8.2 degree Celsius bat kajing kreat kalong katlai degree Celsius. Kajing singam kawaw kalong sanpusan na kasispa akapor minstap bat sanpu ar na kasispa akapor janmit. Kasun beneng kan rang ha Shillong bat kijaka kibamarjan. Sa shisin pat ngipin kan mau biang yepi baya kani ka kubor ka jongi pilar ban pet live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka Didi News Shillong. Haswa bangin pinkut in pet biang saisin ya kimat kibakongsan. Labteng ya ka benta baar jong ka dorbar mang tingka ka parlimen hene kasni ong chairman ka Raja Sabha bandon ya ka mensiam jingkerman ha kani ka kenti. Kajela Meghalaya kadantang marsiteng na kajingba jongki officer IAS yatu menteri rangba kajela ukon rat kia sangma. Penklan ke sorkar jela ya kajing sentiat ha katenat pulit hadieng jongki jing betai ki bom IED. Bat Hamanipur lapen bam smai ya ki dekat bertamai jong kayung dorbar tauan kajela. Antau sorkar kaseng BJP ha kejela. Ti perlok katung ila poisya ka bekut jong kani katup kebor jengi menta ka janmit hadum na syemeng bat pila syai kasengi kubelai pi baro.
पार्टी चाहिए पहले चैंपियन के साथ सेल्फी लेंगे
आइडिया यही करते हैं पार्टी
पिज्जा पार्टी ये चल अपना कार्ड और पिन दे